Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 4 microprocessors and memory concepts. So first let us see what you mean by the microprocessor. Microprocessors are the circuitries around the CPU. Let's see the block diagram of the microprocessor. Microprocessor consists of ALU, CU and register. ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, what it does basically, it performs the arithmetic and logical operations on the data. CU, control unit, it controls the instructions and the flow of data within the computer. Register, during the execution, if microprocessor wants to store few data in temporary basis, then it stores data in the register based. So this is what the block diagram of the microprocessor. So from here it is clear that the control unit is a part of the microprocessor, but microprocessor is more than that of the CPU. Okay, so now let us see what can be the definition of a microprocessor. Definition of a microprocessor. It is a programmable, multi-purpose, clock-driven, register-based electronic device that reads binary instruction from a storage device called memory, accepts binary data as input and processes data according to those instructions and provides result as output. So it is very simple. From the definition it is clear only. So basically it fetches the instructions from where? From the memory. It accepts the data from where? From the input devices. After that it processes the data according to those instructions and provide the result through the output devices. Now over here there are three keywords that we need to understand. Microprocessor is programmable, clock driven and register based. What does it mean? Let's first see programmable. Microprocessor performs different sets of operation on the data depending on the sequence of the instructions provided by the programmer. So basically it receives both the data and the instructions. Okay, now what kind of instructions it is going to perform, it depends on the whatever it is provided by the programmer. Next is the clock driven. Microprocessor is clock driven. What do you mean by this? Microprocessor executes instructions in the sequential order, and in that particular order it has to follow the given steps. First it fetches the instruction, after that it decodes the instruction, and after that it executes the instruction. So during this various step it has to activate various components at different point of time. So how the microprocessor will come to know at what point of time it has to activate which component? So for this, microprocessor uses clock. The clock is used just for the synchronization among the different components of the microprocessor, and that is why it is called clock driven. Next is register based. As I have already told you, during the execution, if microprocessor wants to store data on a temporary basis, it can store in the registers, and that is why it is called storage based also. Students, here we have completed the definition of the microprocessor. In the next video, we are going to see the evolution of the microprocessor. So if you have any query, please write down into the comment box, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you students for your patience.